Good morning, first graders. Today is May 27th, 2020. It is 170th day of school. Now, what is an equation you could think of that equals 170? Something plus something equals 170. So we have 100 plus 70. That is one. Good one. What is another one you can think of? 100 plus 10 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 plus 10. Let me see if that's right. 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. That is another equation we can think of. So how many groups of 10 are in 70? That is right. There are 7 groups of 10s in 70. All right. So I have a puzzle for you. If we have 180 days of school and we are at 170 today, how many more days until 180? Today is 170. How many more days until 180? We can count up. That is true. So we can go. You can think of an equation in your brain. Give you a couple seconds to think about it. Somebody said 10. So that means we have 10 more days of school left. That is insane, and that is crazy. All right, so for today's number corner, we have this from yesterday. So yesterday, you saw this guy from Mrs. Draper. And you ended up on 45. So what do you think today's picture is going to show you? Today's picture is going to show me a code. I think this picture is going to show me a pad that Tad is hiding on. I think it's going to be a story problem. Those are all good guesses. So, you ready to see what today is? Bam! So, let's see. Tad starts on what number? 45. And then he goes backwards. How many times? 1, 2. What number does he end up on? 43. Let's color it. What color? Purple. Because the marker is purple. So remember, you have to do this every single day on page 63 in your number corner book. And then we're going to find out what Tad is trying to catch. Does anybody have a really good guess what he's trying to catch right now? Those are all really good guesses. I will see you in a little bit because we're going to do another activity right after this. But think about it. In 4 days, we'll see what Tad is trying to catch. All right, see you in a second. Hey, first graders, so for this part of the activity, what you're going to need is a whiteboard and a marker and eraser. If you don't have that, you can always use a piece of paper and a pencil, and you can follow along. So first thing I want you to do on your whiteboard or your paper is draw a very long, skinny rectangle, kind of like this. Okay? And remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video. And then the next thing I want you to do is draw a long, skinny rectangle going this way, going horizontal. Like that. And it looks like this when you're done. Doesn't have look just like mine, but I wanted to get close. As I wait for that, Meowth wants to say hi. Say hi. Are you here for math? Or are you here for breakfast? Which one are you here for? You're very fluffy today. All right, love. I'll let you go. So, do we have this on your whiteboards? All right. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a number. I'm going to use different colors so you can see. So this is kind of like what we've been doing in Number Corner when we have seen something like this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a number, and the first one we're going to do together as a class. So I'm writing the number 14. Okay. And then we're going to think what number is 10 less than 14. If you count it backwards, that's a good strategy. If you said 10 minus 14 minus 10 equals 4, that's also another good strategy. So write 4 there. Okay, and then here is a number that is 10 more than 14. So 14 plus 10 is 24. Good. And then on this side, we're going to do 1 less than 14. So 14 take away 1 is 13. Good. And then this side is 1 more. So 14 plus 1 is 15. Good job. All right. So let's erase our boards. And we're going to do the same thing again. We're going to draw a long skinny rectangle in the middle going up and down, or vertical. And then a long skinny rectangle going horizontal or across. Okay. And then I'm going to give you some numbers, and you're going to think about what goes in the boxes, okay? So the number here is going to be the number 25 in the middle. And then I'm going to fill in some boxes, and I'm going to let you solve what numbers do you think goes there. So this is 35, 6. So what numbers are missing? Good. Somebody said 24 because 1 less than 25 is 24. And then somebody said 15 because 25 take away 10 is 15. Good job. All right, let's clear our boards. And let's draw another one, just like what we did. Long rectangle up and down, or vertical. Skinny rectangle going across, or horizontal. Like that. All right, so I'm going to give you some numbers now. So what numbers are missing? Good. Somebody said 84, 85, 86. Good job. What about here? What is 10 more than 85? 95. That is correct. All right, loves. This is the end of today's Number Corner. As always, be safe, be kind, wash your hands, and I will see you on Friday. Love you guys.